Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Professional Noodle Mukbang. This is the show where I eat stuff that's spicy and you just kind of sit there, lay back, I don't know, find things to do and watch me eat this stuff. Today we've got this Habanero Lime Bulldog Bowl. That's a new spicy one. There's the Bulldog Habanero Lime, and then there's the Quattro, featuring new kind of south of the bordery kind of flavors, and we've got a bowl of it right here. I've added a little bit of lime, a little bit of chicken, some spring onion. I think that's about it. Oh, and a pinch, just a pinch, of sesame seed. So normally when I do a spicy noodle mukbang, the kids are here to do a ready, set, go for me. So they're both at school. I'm here by myself. So I guess ready, set, go. So if you didn't know, this is being streamed live on Twitch. You're probably watching this on YouTube. I don't have like a audience of Twitch viewers yet. So the package version of this and the microwavable bowl version, there's quite a difference. The package version ends up having more like a soup with it, whereas the bowl version does not. It might if you steeped it instead of running it through the microwave. You might be curious about the intensity of the spicy level of this one versus the other one. I would say they're about the same. It's got a nice habanero-y kind of lime flavor. Is it as hot as 2X? No. Is it hot as 1X? No. They've been changing the heat levels, I think, probably across the board for a little while now, and the flavors too. The Bulldog Curry, I didn't like it when it came out, and then I had it again recently, and it is 5 stars. Really tasty stuff, and it's definitely way less spicy. It does pack some heat, but it's really, I don't know. It's not kicking my butt. Let me just say that. I will say the lime aspect of these, not extremely large amount of lime flavor. I did make a pizza using the pack version, and that was tasty. But I used shrimp. It's like habanero lime. It seems like a shrimp kind of thing. Done. So somebody's car alarm is going on out there, which reminds me of a video that I saw recently. This guy's car alarm, in somebody's car alarm in this guy's neighborhood wouldn't stop going off. So he brought like speakers out and a synthesizer and played music along with it. I thought that was groovy. Yeah, it's got some good heat to it. It's not. If you like Bulldog, you'll like this. Definitely. It's a little different and it's pretty tasty. So yeah. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.